Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the ChainLearn channel. If you're new here, I create content to introduce and explain crypto projects to beginners. Today, we're diving into a super exciting project, the Open Network, or TON. Whether you're completely new to the crypto space or just hearing about TON for the first time, don't worry. I'll break everything down for you in simple terms. So let's get started! So, first things first, what exactly is TON? TON stands for the Open Network, and it's a decentralized blockchain that was initially created by the team behind Telegram. Yes, that's right, the messaging app we all know and love. The idea behind TON is to create a fast, scalable, and secure blockchain that can support a wide range of services like payments, storage, and decentralized applications, dApps. It aims to be a blockchain for everyone fast, user-friendly, and ready to handle the demands of real-world usage. The TON blockchain works on a unique technology called Sharding, which splits the blockchain into smaller parts, allowing for faster processing and scalability. This is a big deal because, as you may know, many blockchain projects struggle to scale and handle lots of transactions. But TON solves this by processing many transactions at once in different shards. Now, let's take a little trip back in time. The TON project was first announced in 2018 by the team behind Telegram, led by Pavel and Nikolai Durov. Their vision was to create a decentralized network that could rival the likes of Ethereum and Bitcoin, but with much better scalability and speed. However, back in 2020, the project faced a major setback. Telegram had to abandon the project after a legal battle with the US SEC over their initial coin offering, ICO, for the project. But don't worry, the TON project didn't die. In fact, the community behind TON continued to work on the blockchain, and eventually, the project was revived under the name the Open Network. The TON Foundation was formed to continue development, and now it's thriving in the crypto space. Now, let's talk about some of the major milestones TON has reached since its launch. It's been an exciting ride so far. Raising funds and launch. After the legal issues, TON was picked up by the community. The launch of the TON mainnet happened in late 2020. The project has raised over $1 billion in funding through various sources, including private investors, and the TON ecosystem has grown rapidly. Transactions and TVL. As of now, TON has processed billions of transactions, and its total value locked TVL has continued to rise. In fact, it has crossed over $10 billion in TVL, which is a huge achievement, considering the space it's competing in. The transaction volume has seen exponential growth year over year. Blockchain performance. TON's blockchain is performing at over 50,000 transactions per second, TPS, which is way ahead of Ethereum's current 30 TPS. This speed is a game changer for decentralized finance, DeFi, and other decentralized applications, dApps, that need high-speed processing. Now, let's look at TON's competitors and how it compares to other blockchain projects, especially Arbitrum. Arbitrum is one of the most popular Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, designed to improve scalability and reduce costs by processing transactions off the Ethereum mainnet. When it comes to speed, scalability, and cost efficiency, both TON and Arbitrum offer impressive solutions. But let's break it down. TON. TON is a Layer 1 blockchain, meaning it operates independently with its own mainnet and doesn't rely on another blockchain like Ethereum. It uses Sharding to achieve scalability and boasts an impressive transaction throughput, 50,000 TPS, which is far ahead of Ethereum and Arbitrum. Arbitrum, on the other hand, is built on top of Ethereum as a Layer 2 solution, meaning it still uses Ethereum for security, but it scales by processing transactions off-chain. This makes it faster and cheaper than using Ethereum directly. Arbitrum can handle 2,000 TPS, but still, it's not as fast as TON, which is built from the ground up for scalability. Costs. When it comes to transaction costs, TON again has an edge due to its native scalability. Arbitrum, while cheaper than Ethereum's gas fees, still has to account for Ethereum's underlying transaction costs, which can be higher. Ecosystem and adoption. Arbitrum has seen widespread adoption, especially with projects building on Ethereum, but TON has been growing its own ecosystem with TON-based decentralized apps and services. The difference is that TON has a broader vision, aiming to be an all-encompassing platform that can support everything from payment systems to data storage and even decentralized governance. In short, TON is more like a competitor to Ethereum and Arbitrum, while Arbitrum focuses on scaling Ethereum's existing ecosystem. TON is ambitious, aiming to be an independent blockchain with its own ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the major partnerships that TUN has formed. The project has gained a lot of attention from the crypto and tech industries. Telegram. As I mentioned, the origins of TUN come from Telegram, and while Telegram itself is no longer officially involved, the connection is still strong. Telegram's founder Pavel Durov continues to show support for TUN. TN Foundation. The TN Foundation is a key player in continuing development, supporting the TUN ecosystem with funding, governance, and partnerships. Exchanges and dApps. TUN has also partnered with several leading crypto exchanges, including Binance and Huobi, allowing TUN to gain significant market exposure and liquidity. DeFi protocols. The TUN blockchain has supported several decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, helping its ecosystem grow and attract more developers. These partnerships have been essential in expanding the TUN network and ensuring its long-term success. To wrap things up, TUN is an exciting project with a lot of potential. It was born out of the minds behind Telegram, faced challenges, but came back stronger than ever. With its high scalability, low transaction costs, and rapid growth, TUN has the potential to compete with Ethereum, Arbitrum, and other blockchain platforms. In short, TUN is shaping up to be one of the leading blockchain platforms in the space. With its innovative approach, growing ecosystem, and major partnerships, it's definitely a project to watch out for. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto content. See you in the next one.